What's going on, guys? Here's a little pressure washing hack for you. So this is the pump saver spray that I like to spray in my pump after every use, or just about every use. If I use it for a whole day, I'll spray some in. So what I did is I put a Gator lock on here. You can get these at Tractor Supply. Okay, and then my water inlet hose right there has these Gator locks on it. So I have a permanent one right here, a male end, and then I have this female end that I keep on this until this can is empty, and then I'll just switch it over. So every time after I'm done, I'll just take the water inlet side off with those two little clips, push that on there, clamp them in place, give it a little 1, 2, 3, remove it, and then yeah, that'll help prolong the life of your pump. Hope that helps, guys.